us. I have wells to drink of that have yet to be opened. While knowledge is increasing and man's understanding is opening, there still remains a veil over the heart. Many today are seeing, as it were, through a glass. The picture is not yet crystal clear as to what I am doing in the earth today. There is still a great deal of speculation in the hearts of my people, for they have not yet settled into a place of absoluteness concerning their mission and function in my body. If I were to release the floodgates at this time, much of what I would pour out would be lost through the cracks. My body has not yet been compacted together and joined together in a way that would contain the fresh and precious water that I am prepared to send. There is still too much self serving and selfish ambition in the body of my love. My body has yet to understand the vast importance of the corporate function. There are still independent members who have not yet yielded to the corporate man child company that I am raising up in the earth today. I have given much knowledge and outpourings of revelation to my body recently, but much has not profited the body due to a lack of spiritual unity. The quarrels, fights, wars, jealousies, opinions, and other antagonisms have restricted the flow of anointing. For all these things are childish and to no avail. I have seen a people scattered in the earth that I have chosen for such a time as this. These I am gathering together. These are the new connections. These are the parts that have been missing. These are the intended ones that have been chosen before the foundation of the world to come forth in this hour and give glory to my name. These are the ones I have chosen to fulfill my purpose, not in an individual way, but in a corporate way. For I will not release the flow of the untapped well until this body has been formed and brought together unto unseparateness. The glory they give to me is through their love for one another. This is a spiritual union where each member is accepted and loved and honored and preferred before the other. The question has been asked, can there ever be a perfect body of believers who are one in judgment, thought, and purpose in the earth? The answer is found so clearly in my word. I am coming for a glorious church, not having spot or wrinkle or any such thing. I am
Amen.
coming to be glorified and admired in my saints. I will tell you a truth that has been revealed in this body of whom I have spoken. These understand that they are a perfect body of believers living in the earth who walk in perfect love. They have the wisdom and understanding of what true love is, so that false religious ideas and concepts have no place among them. These have been perfected in genuine care and tenderness towards those with whom they have been joined to. The ultra dynamic of this body is that they walk in divine power and authority. They have been so knit together by my spirit that there is no lack, gap, or chasm in them. Who are they? They are those who have been taken into the fires. They have gone through the waters. They have been tested to the core. These are the stones which were burnt, but have come forth as brilliant spiritual stones of radiating glory. They have come to a place of maturity. They have taken within them a divine nature in the exactness of my image. They have believed me for everything I have spoken through my word. They have embraced the truth of freedom and victory and would not be turned away. They are the overcomers of the new millennial morning and are being brought to high places and are being advanced with rapid transport. All the doors promised to them have begun to open. Their lives have been transformed into abundant, joyful, radiant lives, giving glory to me each and every day. These have been given a supernatural power in such a measure that those who touch them have touched the apple of my eye. Yes, this is the tabernacle of David, restored and perfected with my spirit from above. This tabernacle is strong and valiant and has learned to put the enemy to flight. These are as bold as lions and gentle as doves. These are as God in the earth. Why? Because I dwell in them. My son and I have come to them and have tabernacled in them. The full force of my power and ability is in them, so that I do great exploits through them. These operate out of the same anointing as Jesus did while he was in the earth. They are his eyes, ears, mouth, and feet. How will you know them? You will be among them, and they will speak of glorious things As they speak, you will be elevated to a higher place in your spirit, not because of high sounding words, but because of the words of truth and power mixed with their faith. You will be healed in their presence. You will not pick up one hint of schism among them. There will be no false religious facade of love, but a genuine liberating spirit among them. You will see different measures of glory in each one, but not one shall be seen as above the other, just a different expression of my many faceted nature within them. I absolutely believe that's the word of the Lord for the hour in which we're in.
That is